My dear student, today we are here to discuss the topic matrices and related to this topic we have the another topic determinants. In the CBSE syllabus, the weightage of these two topics is the 10 marks. So firstly matrix and after determinant is dependent on this topic. So we are starting our topic matrices. Matrices is the rectangular arrangement of the raw data and we represent this data into the capital bracket. There are the row and columns are there. So these data is known by the name element of the matrices A21, A22, A23, that is, and so on, AM1, AM2, that is AMN. You can see that we have right here some row and there is some columns are there. These vertical are the columns and the horizontal are the row of the matrices. This is the index of the element A11. 11 mean first row, first column. 12 mean first row, second column. 13 mean first row, third column. 1n mean first row, nth column. Similar second row, third row, and this is mth row, and the last one is the m and n. You can see that in each row there are the n elements and the number of row are m. So the total element in this matrix are m into n, and the order of the matrix is the m into n. This will represent the order of the matrix, and we represent the matrix by the capital letter of English A, B, C, D, X, Y, etc. Okay, and in the short form we can write this A, I, J, M into N, where M is greater than equal I, greater than equal 1 and less than equal I is greater than equal 1 and less than equal M, and J is greater than equal 1 and less than equal N. Now we are seeing the one example how we will construct a matrix. Let one example construct a matrix of order 2 into 3 where Aij equal half 2i plus j. So you can see that in this matrix there are the 2 row and 3 column. There are the 2 row and 3 column. So the matrix will be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Now we will find the value of these elements. These are the A11. So here I will put I equal 1 and J is also 1. So this is half 2i plus J, mean that is 2 into 1 plus 1 mean 3, or you can say 3 by 2. Similar A12, this is 2 plus 2 by 2 mean 2. A21, that will be the 4 plus 1 5 by 2. A22 mean that is 3. A13 mean 2 plus 3 mean 5 by 2, and A23 that is 4 plus 3 means 7 by 2. Now we will place these value here. A11 3 by 2, 2, A13 mean 5 by 2, A21 is also 5 by 2, that is 3 and 7 by 2. So this is the method to construct a matrix. Now we are come on to the step of the types of the matrix. So we are seeing the types of matrix. Start. Now we are seeing the types of matrix. So first is the column matrix. A matrix is such that in which only a single column, like that A, 1, 2, 3. You can see that order of this matrix, there are the 3 row and 1 column, so 3 into 1. The number of column is 1 column matrix. Row matrix. A matrix is such that in which only a single row, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that there is only one row and columns are 4, so its order is 1 into 4. Singleton matrix. A matrix is such that in which only a single element, or you can say that one element is there, the number of row is 1 and number of column is also 1. Null matrix. This is null matrix. As the name specifies, all the elements of the matrix are 0 and we represent this by the capital letter of English 0. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So this is null matrix. After it, square matrix. As the name specifies, square, you should know that in square length and breadth are equal. So in this there are the row and column. So in the square matrix, the number of row and number of columns are equal, like that. One example, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3. You can see that there are the 3 row and 3 column are there. So this is the third order square matrix. Similar, second order mean there are only 2 row and 2 column. Singleton matrix is also first order square matrix. Okay, and these elements where I equal j, you can see that its order is 1, 1, its order is 2, 2, its order is 3, 3. So this is the diagonal element of the square matrix. After the diagonal matrix, a square matrix is such that in which except the diagonal all other elements are 0. Except the diagonal, all other elements are 0. That is the diagonal matrix. Or we can also represent in this short way DIAG. DIAG means diagonal, and there are the 1, 2, 3. You can see that 3 element. It means there are the 3 diagonal. It means its order is third order. So diagonal element A11 is 1, A12 is 2, A13 is the, A33 is the 3. Okay. After it, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is such that all the diagonal elements are equal. That is the scalar matrix, such that 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Except the diagonal, all elements are 0. So that is the diagonal matrix. After it, we have the unit matrix. A scalar matrix is such that all the diagonal elements are unit, or you can say that 1. And we represent this matrix by the I, or you can say that identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. These are the diagonal element are 1. This is the unit matrix or identity matrix. We also represent this by identity matrix. You can see that this is third order identity matrix, and we can also represent this by the I3. Similar, I2. I2 means second order identity or unit matrix. This is like that. Okay. After it, the last point is the equality of the matrix. Two matrices are equal, and this is the symbol of the equal. Two matrices are equal if their order are same and their corresponding elements are also same. If I will say that this is Aij m into n, this is Bij m into n, you are seeing that their order are same and their corresponding element are also same. So Aij equal Bij. So this is the equality of the matrix. Like that, you can see the one example. Find the value of x and y in the given equation. This is 2x, 3 plus y and 5. This will be 2, 5, 8, 5. You can see that these two matrices are equal matrices and you are seeing that their order are equal. So obviously their corresponding element are also equal. So you can see that x equal 5 and 3 plus y equal 8, or you can see that y equal, this is 5. Okay, compare these and get the value of x and y by the comparing the corresponding element. So this is the exercise related to the 3.1 of your syllabus. This is the types of the matrix. Okay, so try to solve the questions. We will discuss that problem